Is RoC Line Smoothing Night Serum. So some of the things I love about this is when I'm putting something on my face, I really want to make sure it's made from good quality ingredients. So it's nice that this has no sulfites, no parabens in this product at all. It also has it's a retinol correction serum, and it has antioxidants in it. It helps smooth fine lines, it helps eliminate dark circles, and just really a wonderful night serum. It's super hydrating on your skin, and it really gives a silky finish. And it comes in these small little capsules, which I like that it's just the perfect amount that you need, so you don't overdo the product, and you make sure it lasts. You just pull the top off, just use this little amount of serum that's included inside here, and just rub it all over. I like to try to include on my neck and my chest as well, but this just has such a silky finish, and it feels amazing on my skin all night long, and I wake up still feeling very hydrated and refreshed from using this nighttime serum. So really just gives a beautiful finish, and really just helps even out my skin tones too. So really, really nice product. Don't regret this purchase at all, and it's definitely a go-to for me.
The capsules are super cute. They are easy to break. As you can see here, you just kind of pop the lids off the little blister, and it's just enough amount to get you one night's worth of serum. It's a really good texture, and it rubs in very, very easily. Best way to show you here is on my actual cheek. It just is absorbed very quickly into your skin. I like to put it all over my areas of concern, smile lines, frown lines, your neck. I use this at night under my moisturizer a couple times a week.